Hello, in front of me I've got Honda Jazz. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can change radio volume, change radio station, activate voice assistant, and thanks to these buttons we can manage instrument cluster contents. On the right side of the steering wheel we've got the panel thanks to which we can activate cruise control, speed limiter, and we can manage them. We can also change distance from the following car and enable steering assist for cruise control. In the end, we can enable steering wheel heating. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.